In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the top toolbar on WordPress.com. Whether you're new to WordPress or just need a quick refresher, this guide will be easy to follow. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to WordPress.com. This is where your journey begins. Once the WordPress.com homepage has loaded, your next step is to click on the Login button. It's typically located in the upper right hand corner of the page. After clicking Login, you'll be presented with several sign-in options. For our process today, we're going to choose Continue with Google. This is a common and convenient method that many people use to access their WordPress accounts seamlessly. Once you've selected Continue with Google, you'll see a list of Google accounts that you can use. Choose the one associated with your WordPress site. If your account isn't listed, you may need to add it manually, but generally this step should be quick and easy if your Google account is already set up. Now that you're logged in, we're ready to move on to the next part of the process. Look at the right panel of your dashboard. There, under Quick Links, is an option labeled Edit Site. Click on this link. It's designed to take you directly to your WordPress site's editor, allowing you to make necessary changes and updates. Once you're in the site editor, you'll need to select your website. WordPress will typically display a list of your sites if you have more than one, so make sure you're selecting the site you wish to edit. If you only have one website, this step will be a straightforward click on its name. Next, we're heading towards the final steps. In the top right corner of your site's editor, you'll see an option labeled Options. Go ahead and click there. This is where you can customize the layout and features that you see when editing your site. To enable the top toolbar, you need to check the box labeled Top Toolbar. Simply click on this box to activate it. The top toolbar in WordPress is a handy tool that provides easy access to various editing and administration features right at the top of your screen. It's a great tool to have enabled as it can significantly streamline your workflow. And that's it, you've now successfully enabled the top toolbar on WordPress.com. This feature is perfect for enhancing your site editing experience by giving you quick access to tools and options. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope you found it straightforward and helpful. If you have any further questions or need more tutorials, feel free to explore other videos for more WordPress tips and tricks. Have a great day managing your website and see you in the next video.